Okay, so this is Don't Worry About a Thing by Bob Marley. The melody is up here on this E. We're going E, E, F sharp, that's don't worry. And then C sharp, E, C sharp, which is about a thing. So don't worry about a thing, cause is an A. And then F sharp is every little thing. Gonna be is a G. F sharp, all right, is an E. So altogether it's don't worry about a thing, cause every little thing gonna be alright. The left hand is A chord, A, C sharp, and E. Jump up to D, F sharp, and A. Every little thing gonna be alright. The left hand just has two chords, A chord, which is A, C sharp, and E, and D chord, which is D, F sharp, and A. And it's don't